You see, first thing is that you pray that it should not happen in your lifetime. At least it can be delayed. And secondly, you prepare yourself for the preaching and spreading of the message of Islam. So be determined and promise to Allah Ta'ala that when you grow up, then you will spread the message of Islam. Okay. So if we let the people understand what is the purpose of their life and how should they live their life, and try to win the love of Allah, then we can at least, if not completely get rid of this fear of the war, it can be delayed for some time. Yeah. So the ups and downs will come and do come. Secondly, as I have already said, every family should also reserve some food for some few months in their houses. And youngs are also among them. They should also help their family members, right? Okay. And also pray to Allah Ta'ala. This is the only thing. If you mean that how we can save the world from the war, then pray to Allah Ta'ala. Mm-hmm. If there is anything else, then nothing we can't do. If the world is determined to destroy and the leaders are not trying to get sense, then we can't do anything. Mm-hmm. Right? Okay.